This is an iPod touchscreen assembly swap. Walk you through the basic steps of swapping out a touchscreen assembly. We're going to start off by using a pry tool and begin lifting the touchscreen and midframe away from the rest of the device. Be sure that you're prying below the midframe to bring the midframe and touchscreen out at the same time. Work your way around all four sides, releasing the clips holding the midframe in place. Once all the clips are released, simply swing the touchscreen to the side and release the one pop connector. Installing the new touchscreen assembly is as simple as aligning the pop connector and applying a little bit of pressure. Once the connection is fully secure, we can then press the rest of the screen into the device, applying pressure around all four corners.